Have you tried to make a video in Meta AI lately? You open it up, upload your image, ask it to bring it to life, and nothing happens. The button's gone. It just tells you the feature isn't available, and every tutorial you saved a few months ago doesn't work anymore either. So you do what most people do. You assume Meta quietly shut down free video generation, and you go looking somewhere else. Here's the thing though, it didn't shut down. It didn't disappear. It moved. And the version sitting there right now is one of the best free video tools I've ever tested. If I show you where it went, watch this. Every clip you're about to see was made right there. Free, no watermark, no credit card. Let me show you where it went and how it works. Quick heads up. The download has one catch, and I'll fix it for you at the end. Okay, let's get into it. So where did it go? Not the chats. If you ask Meta AI's chat to make a video, it will tell you it can't. And that's where most people give up. The video tool lives on its own site now, called Vibes.ai. Now, I know how that looks. Some sites you've never heard of, claiming to be Meta. So don't just take my words for it. Scroll to the bottom corner. There it is, Meta 2026. Their name, their terms. It's a real thing. It simply moved out on its own. Let me walk you through how it works. The good news is, you don't even need a photo to start. Switch it over to image mode, type what you want, and it generates the picture for you. Here's the one I made. Now to bring that image to life, there's an animate button, but I'll be honest, it kept failing me. So here's what actually works. Click Create New. Choose Add Start Frame and drop your image in. Add Start Frame. Then tell it what you would like to move and generate. And just like that, you've gone from a simple sentence to a finished video all in one place. Now here's where it gets really useful. You just told it where your shot begins. You can also tell it where to end. Add an end frame and it fills in all the movement in between. So if you want a closed door to open, you set the closed door as your first frame and the open door as your last. This matters because most free tools give you no control at all. You just hope it moves the right way. Here, you're deciding. Feeling like your clips are too short? You can extend it. Take the clip you just made, tell it to keep going, and it continues right from where it left off. That's how you turn one quick moment into a full scene. And this next one surprised me. Lip sync. You give it an image and the words you want spoken, and it makes your character actually say them, mouth and all. Normally, that's a feature you pay good money for. Here, it's just part of it too. And to make this easy to follow, I've put every prompt I use in this video in one free pack. If you like it, just comment the word Vibes below, and I'll send it straight over to you. Alright, now the watermark. If you download the normal way, Meta places its watermark right across your video. But here's a simple fix. Instead of clicking download, right-click the video in your gallery and choose Save Video As. That's it. It says clean, no watermark at all. Now, I do want to be honest with you. That's a little workaround. It's not an official setting, so Meta could close it at any time. Use it while it works, but don't build your whole process around it. And one more tip, keep your scenes simple. One subject, gentle movements. Ask it for big chaotic action, and it tends to either fall apart or refuse. So here's the biggest takeaway. Free AI video didn't go away. It just moved somewhere most people never think to look. And the tool sitting there is genuinely good, completely free, and the download comes out clean. So here's what I would love for you to do. Open Vibes.ai and make one short clip today. Not a whole video, just one clip, and see how far a free tool can actually take you. If this helped you, let me know in the comments. If you want those prompts, comment the word Vibes. I'll see you in the next one.